Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a shop page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically to create a shop page is very easy for WooCommerce. Whether you were either you are going to have WooCommerce from their official website by going to WooCommerce, all you need is just to uh, follow the wizard when you are getting started or when you create your account or store, and they will create the shop page for you as in terms of content, etc. And basically, if you had only had gotten your WooCommerce through WordPress plugin from here by installing a new plugin, it will also have your store that will be blank, etc. And simply to start creating your shop page, or the easiest way to have a shop page is simply by having some builders or some templates, or you can simply add some themes. In my case, I'm using Astra because it provides many features for adding themes to WooCommerce. And to have many choices, you will need just to go to add a new theme. You type WooCommerce and you will find many results on WooCommerce themes, etc. And basically, you can choose anyone uh, that is appealing to you, and it will be applied to your store. And after that, you can start customizing on the website in the site builder or the customizer. So for the site builder is a more extensible way on that will give you more control on your website to change the footers, headers, and the many aspects of your website. Or you can just use the customizer to start going, for example, the header builder, and you can start like changing the logo and the placement of things, etc. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.